Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make curried fish pies. Let's get started. I will make mashed potato first. Steam 2 pounds of potatoes for 20 minutes. Crush the potatoes until the texture is creamy. Add salt, black pepper, melt unsalted butter, double cream, chives. The mashed potato is finished. Heat up some milk. Bring to boil, then add some codfish. Poaching the fish for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat, remove all the fish and let it cool down. Collect all the milk and set aside. Flake the fish. Next, I will make the curry sauce. Melt some unsalted butter. Add chopped yellow onion, minced garlic, ginger, salt, white pepper, curry powder, turmeric powder, paprika, gradually add the plain flour. Add the milk I collected before. Keep stirring, the texture will begin to thicken. Turn up the heat. Add the chopped coriander. The curry sauce is finished. Mix the sauce and the fish. Add the fish pie filling to the baking dish. Flat the surface. Add a thin layer of mashed potato and smooth the surface. Preheat the oven at 380 Fahrenheit. My recipe is enough to make 3 fish pies for 5 people. Bake them for 40 minutes. Time is up. Let's check the pies. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So, this curried fish pie for 5 people cost me less than $15. I'm going to enjoy my curried fish pie. Thanks for watching my video.